I'm glad. Oh man, look at that. He's got all that helmet stuff going. Alright. I'm gonna ask you again. Is he gonna go big or go home? Alright, one more time, big. Alright. Trash clear. Fire truck ready to go. Little whip. Yeah, baby! We do that! Oh, the sign said in the back of that. Must have a welding out or something.
Oh, man.
Here we go! Outside! Well, oh, this tears me up. Oh, this is crazy.
Oh, no.
Hey, Nick, you got some body parts over here. Got it. Hey, give a round of applause. He went great. Go on again. I don't know, maybe his carburetor fell off, battery flew out, or who knows what happened. He's trying to get a lift. He got a lift. Is he going to go some more? He ain't done. Yeah, he's going more. He's going more.
Nice.
Here we go.
Come on, Dustin.
Oh, oh my. You think he's going to be able to sew it on it? I'll click this
He's
up.
having fun. Oh, no.
Where's he going now? He's hiding on us. He's trying to be stealth. I don't know how that's going to score for points, but here I can't see him. Oh, there he is. He's blowing smoke signals. From one vantage point, I can only see his hand and smoke coming out.
Oh, no. Here comes the payload.
That dude's a racer. Ford. Yeah. We're going to do the cheer off. Let's bring out the drivers. We're going to do a cheer off. Let's bring out the drivers. We're going to do a cheer off. Drivers, tough truck drivers, come on out. Let's bring out our racers. Coming up after the cheer off, we're going to go right to Monster Truck second round freestyle. Coming up. Coming out first is going to be Monster Patrol, then Night Stalker, and then Riptoid. Can you believe that, dude? Good for him. What a show these guys are. Let's get him over here, too. Wow. I can't wait for this cheer off. Come on, dude. Clarkin, come on over the top of the front stretch here. He's driving over, you want to, I don't care. We're going to get this cheer off going as soon as he's over here. points. How about this? Let's give these Tough Truck Challenge racers a round of applause for putting on one hell of a first round. How about that? What a year from South Dakota. Tearing it up. All right, here we go. Here we go. In order. The drivers are in order. I'm going to call them off. 5 numbers, and you do a cheer. All right, let's hear it for truck number 1. All right, I kind of thought that might. Yeah. Okay. You might remember this guy. Let's hear it for truck number 2. Wow. All right, let's hear it for truck number 3. All right. We're skipping in order. All right, truck number 4. Okay, hold on. All right, number 6. Let's hear it. Okay. Number 7. Enough. Number 8. Number 9. 2 off between 9 and 2. Come on, 9. Come on out. 2. Here's your finalist right here. All right, one more time. Let's hear it for truck number 2.